guys, welcome back to my garden. So in today's video, what we're gonna do is tackle that right there. As you can see, that right there is my beautiful hearts and flowers being overtaken by freaking Bermuda grass. So as you can see right there, I didn't plant any of that Bermuda grass. It decided to go from where I planted it, which is in my yard, in my backyard lawn, and decided to sprinkle its way magically into my garden bed. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it's been a couple years. Everyone that's been following me in my garden Facebook group knows I've been in school. So I've been very, how should I say, a bad plant mommy for a couple years, okay? So don't get at me, I'm doing better, okay? But because of that neglect, it started taking over everything that I planted in there. I was hoping that the hearts and flowers was strong enough as a ground cover to just cover that area and then overtake the grass, but the Bermuda grass is a lot stronger. So what I'm going to do today is pretty much just remove as much of the grass as possible, and then I'm going to get some cardboard that I had from good old Amazon and cut that up, put it on top, and use some mulch that I received from one of our garden members, which is Javier. Thank you, Javi, for that generous donation. And hopefully that will suppress the grass from growing next year. I'm doing it today, which is fall, November 2025. So then that way, hopefully it has enough time to just suppress it. And when it's trying to grow next year, it won't give it that chance, okay? So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it. Bye. You guys see this? This is a solid ice plant cutting. With this one piece, I could cut it into like 5, maybe 6 pieces, about this size. And all you do is remove the bottom leaves, like so. And then get some soil and stick it in the ground. And you don't have to worry about it. Water it. Right now it's fall, so water it. Keep it in a warm room, and then you could reuse these for your spring garden. So never ever throw away plants that you can multiply, okay? I just wanted to come over here and let you guys know. And sorry about the hard breathing, but this is a lot harder than it looks on film. 1, I'm out of shape. And 2, it is hot for freaking November. Now back to your normal station. Okay, so one more time. I just want to show you guys because this is like so pretty and so cute. But I just grabbed it off of the main runner. And all you got to do is pretty much, when you see your hand, everyone's going to ask, but what size? It really doesn't matter. But the way I see it is when you get a piece, right? If you have the minimum of the palm of your hand, that's enough. If it's a little bit bigger, that's okay too. Like, so for this piece right here, I'm just gonna take the bottom leaves off, like so. And then I'm just gonna stick it in soil. I'm probably gonna just use potting mix this time around because again, it is fall time. I'm gonna move most of my plants in the sunroom or underneath my patio for the winter. So I'm gonna just put it in some potting mix for now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and move some of my mulch and my soil from my garden into another pot and then stick it in there until I'm ready to plant it into the garden. But I'm leaving a long enough stem so when I put it in to the dirt, it has enough space to grow. Enough time to grow. Enough space to grow. Okay, guys, that was a long process, but I did it, and I think it came out pretty good. It looks so much better already. You guys see that? Oh my God, it took me a few hours. I did do it by myself. I probably should have gotten reinforcements.
Oh yeah.
But I didn't. So, took me a few hours. I pulled out most of the grass. I know I wasn't going to pull out every single root. It was just impossible to do that. But I pulled out enough that I'm pretty satisfied. I didn't film every single cardboard box that I used. I used about 4 cardboard boxes. I pretty much made them flat, laid them all out, and then I put the mulch on top of it. It's been a long day, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. I learned that, you know, I need to probably ask for help, because it would have gone a lot faster, and I could have definitely saved more time doing it that way. But, you know, lesson learned, and it turned out great, and I'm happy with the results, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.